Coming to another water soluble B complex vitamin, biotin. Biotin is coenzyme for carboxylation reaction, that is CO2 fixation reactions. Previously it was also called as vitamin H, and it is also known as anti-egg white injury factor. The egg white injury factor is a glycoprotein called as avidin, which is present in egg white, and this biotin is present in egg yolk, is all called as anti-egg white injury factor. It tightly bound to avidin. Coming to chemistry, the biotin is heterocyclic compound, consists of imidazole ring and thiophene ring attached to valeric acid. Biotin combines with epsilon amino group of lysine in the enzyme to form biocytin. The biocytin is considered to be coenzyme form of biotin. Biotin serve as coenzyme for transfer of carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is derived from HCO3 bicarbonate, which combines with ATP to form carboxyphosphate. This carboxyphosphate reacts with biotin enzyme complex to form carboxybiotin. Carboxybiotin complex, enzyme complex. This is, or it is at a high energy level. This carboxybiotin enzyme complex reacts with substrate to form a product. Say for example, in case of pyruvate, it will form oxaloacetate, and the enzyme biotin enzyme is released. This is mechanism for biotin transfer of CO2 or carboxylation reactions in which biotin take part. Let us see what are different reactions in which biotin take part. So coming to reactions one by one, the first one we have already seen is pyruvate acted upon by pyruvate carboxylase in presence of biotin. Carbon dioxide is required, ATP is converted to ADP, it will form oxaloacetate. Now this is rate limiting step for gluconeogenesis. Also, this oxaloacetate reacts with acetyl-CoA to form citrate in citric acid cycle. Formation of oxaloacetate is activated by acetyl-CoA. That means when excess acetyl-CoA is available by fatty acid oxidation, it will stimulate conversion of pyruvate to oxaloacetate, thereby more and more glucose can be synthesized from pyruvate, or pyruvate is diverted for gluconeogenesis. Now coming to second reaction. Second reaction is the first reaction of fatty acid synthesis. acetyl CoA in presence of acetyl CoA carboxylase biotin and ATP is converted into malonyl CoA. This is the rate limiting step for fatty acid synthesis. Then propionyl CoA this propionyl CoA is synthesized from metabolism of odd chain fatty acids, and it is also synthesized in metabolism of certain amino acids like methionine, isoleucine, threonine, etc. This propionyl CoA acted upon by propionyl CoA carboxylase in presence of biotin is formed D-methyl malonyl CoA. This D-methyl malonyl CoA is further converted into L-methyl malonyl CoA and succinyl CoA, thereby it can enter into citric acid cycle. And fourth reaction is in metabolism of leucine, beta-methyl crotonyl CoA plus carbon dioxide in presence of beta-methyl crotonyl CoA carboxylase and biotin is converted into beta-methyl glutaconyl CoA. These are four important reactions of biotin. Pyruvate is converted to oxaloacetate, acetyl CoA is converted to malonyl CoA, propionyl CoA into D-methyl malonyl CoA, and beta-methyl crotonyl CoA into beta-methyl glutaconyl CoA. Then this biotin also plays important role in regulation of cell cycle, biotin is important in regulation of cell cycle. It takes part in regulation of cell cycle through biotinylate these are important nucleoproteins, and deficiency of biotin lead to arrest of cell cycle at G1 phase. Biotin is also involved in regulation of gene expression. Biotin is involved in expression of genes like P450, certain oncogenes, genes of cytokines, etc. And last important function is biotin is also involved in hair and nail growth. So in deficiency, there we can find loss of hair. Recommended daily allowances are 20 to 30 micrograms per day, and it is also synthesized in the intestinal bacterial flora. The sources are liver, kidney, eggs, milk, and in case of vegetarian diet, tomatoes, grains. Deficiency symptoms are anemia, loss of appetite, hair loss, nausea, and glossitis or dermatitis. Deficiency of biotin may also lead to hallucinations, depression, and muscle pain. As biotin is very widely distributed in food items, the deficiency is not commonly seen, but it is seen in persons with prolonged parental food without proper vitamins supplementation, person consuming antibiotics, especially sulfonamides. These sulfonamides will destroy the intestinal bacteria and thereby there is no production of biotin in the intestinal flora. Then persons consuming large number of raw eggs. The raw eggs contains avidin and it binds tightly to the biotin, and hence biotin is not available for absorption. But for this to occur, person should consume more than 2 dozens of raw egg per day. Antagonists of biotins are desthiobiotine, and biotin sulfonilic acid. There are some carboxylation reactions which are independent of biotin. Biotin is not required for certain carboxylation reactions. These reactions are carbon dioxide plus ammonia form in presence of carboxyl phosphate synthetase form carboxyl phosphate. Addition of CO2 in C6 of purine ring. Then pyruvate is converted to malate with the help of malic enzyme. And fourth is gamma carboxylation of glutamate for activation of floating factors. So all these reactions do not require biotin as cofactor for their carboxylation. Carbon dioxide plus ammonia in formation of carboxyl phosphate, first step of urea synthesis, then carbon dioxide fixation in C6 of purine ring, then pyruvate is converted to malate with the help of malic enzyme, and gamma carboxylation of glutamate for activation of coagulation factors.